फाटल्या सप्तकभर इंडिगोच्यो हजारांनी फ्लायटी कॅन्सल जाल्यो, हजारांनी प्रवाशी अडखळून उरले. कितल्याशाच जाणांक बस ट्रेनीचो पर्याय धरचो पडलो, जाल्यार कितल्याशाच जाणांक आपल्या थळार पावपाक उशीर जालो. आयज दाबोळीच्यान इंडिगोच्यो 7 फ्लायटी आनी मोपाच्यान 6 फ्लायटी कॅन्सल जाल्यो.
Following our earlier communications, today I'm here to share that your airline, IndiGo, is back on its feet and our operations are stable. We've let you down when a major operational disruption happened. Initially, our first priority was to get all stranded and delayed customers safely to their destinations or back home. Then we started our refunds. No questions asked. Lakhs of customers have already received their full refunds, and we continue to do so. Most of the bags stuck at the airport have already been delivered back to your homes, and our teams are working very hard on delivering the remaining ones very soon. As of yesterday, we are back of flying to all our 138 destinations in our network, which means flights reflecting on our website are scheduled to operate with an adjusted network. We continue to work in full cooperation with the government.
Bureau Report, Prudent.